So hello guys and welcome back to the traders. My name is Or. Today is the 12th to June 2019 and you saw me yesterday trading, and now I want to get to BYND with all the hype about it. So let's start with it. Trade by BYND. Okay, we are in. I have an automatic trading orders which put also the stop loss and also my profit target. I can move it if I want. I think I will do that because BYND is a crazy stock. It can move with no really any effort to 140, 145, 141. And I want to make the most from this trade. So my stop loss is over here, and I am risking $300 on this trade. You can see it right here. So I entered 137.48. and now it's 137.51, and my risk is here 136.65. so it's like less than $1.75. If it's go up, we can make at least 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and that's why I really want to move it upward, because it can really move hard if it start to move in the upward direction. So let's start and let's see what happens. For now I'm approximately break even. BYND is a crazy stock. It's ATR as you can see it. I like to see the ATR. I like to see all the fundamentals of the stock. As you can see, it has $16 ATR, so it's like really crazy. And my stop is on this support. I'm risking $300 and I'm willing to get 1 to 2, and if it's move, I will move also my stop loss and my profit target in the direction of the movement. So for now it looks very good. I hope it can start to move up. Let's see. For now I will explain you a little bit about my how I trade, how I like to see my layout. So you can see I have the SPY over here, which is the ETF of the S&P 500. I have some scanners over here and over here. The thing that I like, I can also move in this channel bar and to see, let's say, I don't know, I want to see the banks or the blockchain or whatever I like. I can just scroll down and pick my channel that I like to see. This is my channel that I built it especially for me, for my purposes, and that's it. This is the things I like to see, and here I have all the information about BYND if you want to see what it's doing. Also it founded in 2009 and so on and so on. So it has a tiny float. A lot of people are playing this stock, and also maybe the SPY is going to reverse right here, and if it will, of course it will give me some backwind. So this is for now. I'm on my buying point. Let's see. I bought it and 137.48. so the volume is decreasing. It's not good for my trade, but I'm risking $300, and I hope that it will oh, the SPY is not reversing, so that's okay. But BYND is really not related to the market because it has its own unique movement. So I really hope it can go up and make me some dollars, some profit, and if not, this is what I am risking. I'm willing to risk, and I don't really matter about it because this is how trade. I like this pattern. It's moved up, then went down, went up again, and then some consolidation right here. And my risk is really, really, really at the support, and also you can see the moving average is giving it this maybe some backbone to the upward. Of course, that if it will move in my direction, I will move my stop loss and my profit target. For now, I think my profit, I moved it a bit higher because as I said, if it go to my direction, I can get here at least 1 to 2, 1 to 3, even 1 to 4, 1 to 5. So we need to wait and see what happens. But it looks very good setup. I like it right here, and my also my stop loss is in a very critical point in this area of support. So we'll see what happened. Let's see what else I can tell you. So I told you that I have a lot of channel right here. I have a low floater, some bounce, and short screening right here, and also some play of a bounce right here. Also have my sector over here, the gold, the SPY, the Nasdaq, whatever, everything that I need. And let's see what happens. I don't know. For now, it's really not doing too much, not doing something at all. Let's put it on a leading time frame that maybe we can get a feeling of what happens. So as you can see, it really consolidate, nothing much. And I really like my stop, $300 risk. Here it's at least 1 to 2. Let's see what happens. Sure, move around and see something else, but I want to be in this BYND stock, and it has really potential to move higher. As you can see, it really, and also volume. See, this is very important for us, that something has happened, people start maybe to buy again, and this can really take to 139 without really an effort. So let's see if it continues. I will move my stop loss to break even, and then I just cannot lose on this trade, but we'll see. I really put it on a 1 minute time frame just to get a feel, just to see what happens. If you like, you can move it to switch it to a 5 minutes candle, 5 minutes time frame. But for me, because it really moves so hard, as you can see right here, I like to see it on a small time frame. And let's see if it can go higher. Volume is starting to increase, and let's see. Okay, so we are 10 minutes to the trade. I'm up a bit, like 0.5%. It's not something that I want to take home. So I'll pause the video for now because I really don't know if how much time. Okay, maybe it will go right now, but I really don't know how much time does it take it to break my target, to hit my target. So let's see. I will give it like 1 or 2 minutes more, and then I'll pause it, and we'll resume when something happen or when I do something. Let's see. Okay, it start to move. I can move my my stop to break even, or at least to this point that I lose very little if it's going against me. So I like risking now. Let's see how much quantity I'm in, how much shares. So I'm like 500 shares, so I'm risky like 50 bucks from 300. So you know, I'm changing my risk all the time because to risk too much because it's going in my way, and if it's not, just want to lose the minimum that I can, you know. Okay, so I'll pause the video for now. I hope it can hit my target, and maybe I will move my stop loss and my target as long as it goes up. And for now I will pause the video, and we'll see you in a few minutes, I guess. Okay, so we are like 2 minutes or 3 minutes after I paused the video, and as you can see, it started to move in my direction. So the first thing I'm doing that I will move my stop loss accordingly to approximately break even, that I cannot lose in this trade, and now it's stress free, and it's just a matter of how much money I can make from this trade, how much money can I profit. So I'm approximately a break-even stop loss. My profit target is right here, and maybe I'll move it a bit higher because I want to make the most from this trade. This is how I work. This is how I trade. I move it accordingly and hope I can make some great movements and catch them, of course. And if you can remember, yesterday we had also a good trade in QURE. It was on the 11th of June 2019. I made 700 bucks on one trade, and this also I hope can make us some profits. I move my stop loss, I move my profit target. You see, this is how I trade. Everyone trade differently, but this is how I trade. I like to lock my profit, or take the stock and make it run. I mean, to leave it and to make the most from this trade. This is how I trade. I repeat it. Okay, you can see I move it along, and also this. So now it's just a matter of how much money I can make it. Let's hope it can go to 140, 141. Let's see. So just to review, yesterday we had a very good day, 700 bucks of profits, and this day will also probably make some money. let's move it a bit to give it some room, you can see. But for sure I'll make $400 at least. Let's see if we can keep the moving upward. I hope so. If not, that's okay. We cannot complain about a winning trade, you know. Now it starts to move down. Let's see what happens. I really hope it can really keep the movement, keep the uptrend, and make me some more money. Let's see about the SPY. The SPY is maybe start to do some green candles in a row, I hope. But if not, it really doesn't matter for this trade. It's not really matter because BYND has its own unique movement. It's really not correlated to the market. But you know, when the market is going up, most of the time, even though these stocks are not correlated to the market, they are also moving up. So you know, it's good. It's not really harmful. And I hope it can keep the movement. So we got here like 20 minutes, 6:48, and now it's 7:08. So it's 20 minutes of trade, and for now it's looking good. I hope it can move, keep the upward movement. Let's see. Start to lose power. So every trader has his own unique style. People like to take half. People like I don't know, a lot of different approaches. I like to keep it moving, to let the stock move, because BYND, I know it has really hard movements, and if I can catch one of it, I can take 1-10, 1-12 risk reward ratio. So it really has the potential. So I like to let it run. But everyone has a different approach. This is my approach. I know I cannot lose on this trade. I know I'm stress free. I know I can get me a cup of coffee. It really doesn't matter what I'm doing with my time. And maybe I can make some really nice reward on this trade. So as you can see, it sold me on one, let's see, 138.40. So I had 1-to-1 ratio, $350 of profits, and this is good. I can't complain about it. Maybe I could take some here, but it really doesn't matter as long as I keep my profits and make some dollars. And this is how I trade. It's not that hard, but you know, every one of us has a different approach. So this is the first trade of today. I really maybe I will do another one, I don't know, and if not, that's okay. $359 of profits. Let's see what else we can find here. Okay, I guess I finished the day right here. I don't have enough power to keep trading, you know. At least I'm green. As long as I'm green, as long as I'm make some profits, as long as I do it correctly, without really, you know, stress, and I play my setup, and I move my stop and my profit target accordingly. That's okay. I cannot complain. I did the right thing. Also, with a nice profit, 359 bucks. Yesterday I made 700 bucks, and that's all. This is how I trade. I hope you make some made some information, took some information from it, how you can achieve your goals, how you can achieve your profit targets, and of course how you need to trade as a professional trader. So that's all for now. So if you like this video and you see how I act in real time, please subscribe to our channel. It's very important to us, and I will keep these movies around every day or so. And I also make some alerts in the weekend for the new week. If you don't have the time to be around the computer all day, you can just take these alerts and make profit from them. If you like our video, please subscribe. We also have some courses to understand how you can day trade or swing trade in the market, and it's really not a rocket science. Everybody can do it. You just need a discipline and a pattern and a setup that I'm teaching in the courses. And you can see, yesterday I made 700 bucks, today I made 350, and I'm just keeping up. Every day is a new day, and every day I want to make profits and to stay green. And so this is for today. Please subscribe and have fun in your trading. It's not really need to be, you know, a stress profession. You have to take it very easy. And that's all for now. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.